Hi, this is DIY Ruby. This video is going to show you how to turn pieces of wood like this into Christmas presents. You get a ruler and a pencil, and you measure out the sizes you want, like this. And then you can make holes in here with your whatever you have to make holes with, and then you can put a tea light in it. There you go. It's a Christmas rose. And you can stain the wood before you do it, whatever color you would like, and that's how you do it. The blocks and stain them. Now it's time to drill a hole in them. Next step, we're gonna use a drill to drill a hole in the piece of wood.